Hello my friends, what are eBay business policies? They are sets of rules that help you run your business on eBay. There's three types of policies: payment, shipment, and return. And today we're going to talk about payment. So what is the payment policy and why do you need it? For all timers on eBay, up to a few years ago, the main point of payment policy was picking your payment tools. So you were deciding how you seller would get paid, and therefore on the other side, what payment methods would your buyer see. Today, since couple 2-3 years, eBay is taking care of payments directly. They got rid of PayPal and they set up eBay payments. So they take care of all aspects and they take care of choosing what payment instrument gets shown to what buyer in what moment. And you as a seller, you receive payments from eBay, not from PayPal or not from your buyer, from eBay directly into your bank account. Therefore, to be able to use eBay, you need to set up into your eBay account a credit card to allow eBay to take listing fees and selling fees, and a bank account to enable eBay to pay into your bank account your portion of what you sold. So, eBay is the payment processor. eBay takes care of all security aspects of payment. You do not have to worry about anything. And seller receives money straight into the bank account. No hassle. The main thing in the United States is defining whether one payment policy is the default policy or not. The default policy is that policy that will be rolled from eBay into all listings unless something else is specified. Second main thing in the US is whether you accept cash at pickup. Cash at pickup, not cash at delivery. So we strongly advise against shipping an item without having been paid before shipping. Receiving cash option exists only when actually your buyer comes and picks up the item at your place. For instance, because you are a retail outlet, a physical retail store, or because they're buying a bulky item, a desk for instance, and they are actually coming to your garage to pick it up. The most important thing you have to remember, and that eBay stresses a lot, is watch out how you get paid, because there are a lot of scammers out there, so don't be scammed. Let eBay take care of payments, define your payment policy, and once it's done, you assign the payment policy within Nembol to all your subsequent listings. To use Nembol, you need to set the three policies: payment, shipment, and returns. And to be able to set them in Nembol, you must have set them into your eBay account. To learn how to set it, check this other video where we go through payment policies and business policies. Have a good one. Bye bye.